Ashley Whisper.
What's your name?
My name is Noah and Whisper.
Can you say it again?
My name is Noah Ashley Whisper.
Do you like your name?
Yes. My name is Noah Ashley Whisper.
Your name isn't Bubba?
No, my name is Noah Ashley Whisper.
Is your name Sophie?
My name is not Sophie. I know it Ashley Whisper.
Is your name Annabelle?
No.
No.
Your name, Gabriel? My name is Noah Ashley Whisper. I know it Ashley Whisper.
I love you.
I do. My name is Noah Ashley Whisper.
I know.